Good morning, children. Sit down. Children, before going to a new chapter, new story, I am to tell you that sometimes we are getting angry by hearing something. That is human tendency. We have no control over our anger. It should not be. How to control our anger, how to behave politely, softly with others, that should be our habit. And we should behave properly to others. So today I will go through a new story, that is Overcoming Anger, a Zen tale. You write it in your copy. I will go through the story and I will be explaining you line by line. A Zen student said to his teacher, "Master, I have an ungovernable temper. Help me get rid of it." So, one student asked to his teacher that, "Teacher, I have no control over myself. Particularly when I am angry, I am telling many things to others. How I will control myself and behave politely? That you are to tell me." "You have something very strange," said the teacher. "Show it to me." Now, what is the answer of the teacher? Teacher told, "That is very strange. Okay? You are telling that you are getting angry. Now show me that anger. Show me that anger, what you are having." "Right now I cannot show it to you," said the student. What was the answer of the student? "Sorry teacher, you are asking me to show my anger, but I cannot show you right now." "Why not?" asked the teacher. Teacher asked, "Why you are not showing me anger?" "It arises suddenly," responded the student. What was the answer of the student? That, "Teacher, it arises suddenly. It is not always. It arises suddenly, sometimes." Then what is the answer of the teacher? That it cannot be your own true nature. Teacher told student, "This is not your nature. When you are getting angry, you must be hearing something or must be see something by which you are not satisfied and you are overcoming your anger." Okay? If it is where you would be able to show it to me at any time. Okay? Then teacher told, "If it is so, then you could have shown me your anger, that quality what you are having, but you are having a very strange quality which is not your nature. Can I show our anger? No. Always we cannot show our anger." Similarly, children, happiness, when we are so much happy, always we are not happy. But if somebody says, "Show your happiness," we cannot also show our happiness, always. So, what teacher told, "Why are you allowing something that is not yours to trouble your life?" Then teacher told, "Oh student, don't be disheartened. That is not your nature. That is not your way to behave with others. But as you told, sometimes you are doing like this, then that is not your true nature. It happens with everybody. It happens with everybody." Thereafter, whenever the student felt his temper rising, he remembered his teacher's words and checked his anger. Now, the student realized that what I am doing, that is not my nature. then why should be I angry? Because it happens sometimes. As teacher told, it is not your exact nature, it is not your exact way of behaving with others, then you are doing sometimes, so you try to control it. Whenever the student is doing something or getting angry, he also thinks several times that this is not my behavior, exact behavior what I am doing. So, he remembers teacher's words and he behaves properly. Then, in due course of time, he developed a calm and placid temperament. What is the meaning of calm? See your book. First of all, you write down the children temper. What is temper? That is to get angry easily. To get angry easily. Write down all of you. To get angry easily. These are the difficult words I am writing on the blackboard and you are to see that and write. Trouble, trouble, difficulty, difficulty, calm, calm, not worried. Placid, calm and peaceful. Calm and peaceful. Okay? These are the some difficult words, children. I am writing and you have to write it in your copy. Temper, that means to get angry easily. Sometimes it happens with you children, you are getting angry easily if somebody is not listening you, if somebody is doing bad for you, if somebody is not taking care of you. That time you are getting difficulties if you will think several times. Calm, be calm. Not to be worried, not to be worried, be calm, be silent, think it many times and try to control your body and mind, then everything will be good to you. Then meaning of placid, calm and peaceful. All of us as human beings, we like to live in a very peaceful atmosphere. And how it will be peaceful? If we are looking to others, then we are always running after others. Instead of that, we are to see ourselves. What is your work to do? If we will think for ourselves, then we will never mind with others what they are doing. So children, if you are peaceful, then others will be in a peaceful mood. So that these are the meanings what I have written of the difficult words. Then lastly, what happened to this story? In due course of time, he developed a calm and placid temperament attitude. Who developed? That student who came to the teacher to complain that he is having the angriness and how to control that anger, teacher is to tell. And lastly, he owned. Who? The student. He remembered the teacher's point, and when he is getting angry, he tried to remember what teacher has told. And in due course of time, he developed a calm and placid temperament. You can see the picture, how he is sitting quietly and thinking. If you are doing, children, like this, then you will see that your mind is totally free. Whatever you want to do, you can concentrate in your own work. You can control your behavior, you can control your qualities which are not good for others. For that, you are to remain silent and think it several times. So this is the gentle overcoming anger. Now you write down the questions. That is your homework. First is, have you seen anger? Have you seen anger? This you are to give answer. You write it down in your copy and I will see that. Have you seen anger? Next question. Why do you become angry? Why do you become angry? Okay. So these are the two questions for you. Have you seen anger? Why do you become angry? First of all, before writing these question answers, children, you have to go through the book and read the story several times. Then you can give better answer for it. Okay? So this much for today. Thank you, children.